Hello and welcome to another YouTube video for Halo Create. Today I'm going to show you how to do Chrome, or one of the ways that you can use Chrome. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to use my base coat, and I'm just going to base coat a nail. I'm just going to pop that into set for 30 seconds. I've also got on my table non-wipe top coat, the colour of choice. So for this colour I've chosen Cranberry because I'm going to use Be Passion, which is a similar colour, so I've put this as a base, but you can use black or white or any colour that you want, and a little applicator to pick up the chrome. Okay, so while that's set, I'm just going to take that out and I'm going to pop on a coat of Cranberry. One coat of Cranberry and then set for 30 seconds and repeat. Going to repeat this process. Next, you're going to need your non-wipe top coat. So you're going to apply a coat of non-wipe and set it for 30 seconds. Make sure you get right down the edges and set for 30 seconds. Now while that's setting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to decanter a little bit from here into the top of the lid because I'm quite messy. So I'm just going to use this little spatula to pick up a little bit of colour, a little bit of chrome, pop it, and then I'm going to move that chrome out of the way because I am quite messy and I know I will knock it over. So while that's set, you're going to take it out of the lamp and then you're going to use your picker upper. So you can use something like this, you could use an eyeshadow application, you could also use your fingertip, but that's not very hygienic at the moment because of COVID and everything, and obviously you wouldn't do that on a client. But I'm just going to pick it up, get some on, and then just pat it all over and just start rubbing it in. So you're just going to start rubbing it all over the nail, little circles, burnishing it in, and you're going to get a beautiful high chrome finish. So you can see that a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. Make sure you get all your edges. Make sure you buff it all in so you get rid of all of the loose powder. So once you've got it all buffed in, pop the lid back on your chrome. You're going to now apply a base coat, and the reason for doing this is if you apply a top coat straight on top of a shiny, what's going to happen is the top coat can peel and chip. So what we're going to do is apply base coat, which is going to adhere better to the shiny finish, and it's also going to give the top coat something to stick to. So base coat first, set for 30 seconds, and then non-wipe top coat. Okay, and there is your chrome finish. You can see this beautiful shine.